Hey everyone! Today we're excited to explore the feedback collection and analysis AI agent in Delaverse, a game changer for gathering valuable insights from your customers and team members. What's it all about? Imagine having an AI-powered system that not only collects feedback effortlessly, but also analyzes it to reveal satisfaction levels, trends, and areas for improvement. Whether you're in HR looking to boost employee morale or in marketing aiming to refine your products, this AI agent helps you turn raw opinions into actionable insights, making your decisions smarter and your community happier. Getting started. Easy access in Delaverse. Hop into your Delaverse account at playground.delaverse.ai. From the dashboard, hit that New Project button and name it something like Feedback Magic. You'll land right in the playground, your canvas for building this AI agent. No coding needed, just drag and drop to bring it to life. Breaking down the key pieces, this workflow is like a well-oiled team of helpers working together. Training your AI with data. Start by uploading simple files like survey templates or company info. Think PDFs or Google Docs. This gives your AI the background knowledge to understand context and create relevant questions. The Smart AI Assistant. At the heart is an AI that chats with users, sends out surveys, either ready-made or freshly generated, and collects responses securely. It keeps things polite and professional, especially tailored for friendly interactions in your preferred language. Seamless chat integrations. Connect via Telegram bot for quick mobile feedback, or embed a chat frame on your website, app. Users can just message the bot or chat window to share their thoughts. Super convenient. Welcome to the all-in-one container. Wrap everything in a container node to keep your setup organized and running smoothly as a unified system. Feedback Analyzer. This tool dives deep, categorizing comments, spotting trends, and gauging overall satisfaction, all powered by AI smarts. Tracking and Insights Dashboard. Keep an eye on the action with the built-in analytics. From message counts and unique users to sentiment breakdowns, positive vibes, or areas to tweak, the dashboard lets you filter by time periods. Dive into conversation analysis for patterns in feedback, like common praises or suggestions. It's your window into engagement levels, helping you measure real impact without the guesswork. Unlocking real benefits. The true reward? Transforming feedback into growth. Spot unhappy customers early to retain them, or identify what your employees love or want more of to build a stronger team. Every insight collected means better products, happier people, and decisions backed by data, saving you time and resources while fostering a feedback-rich culture. Pro tips for power users. Want to level up? Customize the AI instructions to fit your surveys perfectly. Add specific questions like, how's the work-life balance for employees? Test your Telegram bot by sending sample feedback. And always save changes after tweaks. For deeper analysis, explore the conversation logs to uncover hidden gems. If you're dealing with sensitive info, restrict access to trusted users only. Pro move. Use real past data in your training files for spot-on accuracy. Why you'll love it. Empower your decisions. With the feedback collection and analysis AI agent, you're not just collecting opinions. You're empowering your team to act on them. Gain clarity on satisfaction, track trends effortlessly, and drive positive change with transparent, AI-driven insights. Ready to listen, learn, and grow? Jump into Delaverse and build yours today. Your community will thank you.